everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, today we have a unboxing and a few channel stickers. Want to get a shout out, but let's first get to this unboxing. I'll tell you, this was for me and my mama, and this was sent by Jesse and Lisa from Lazy Days. And I have to tell you, this has got to be one of the most wonderful unboxing that I've seen. I've got jelly, and I've got more jelly, and more jelly, and more jelly. And Jesse said me and my mom have to fight over it, but we can remedy that real quick. So I want to tell you, Jesse and Lisa, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that, and Mom appreciates it too. So thank you very much. You guys are awesome. If you don't have Lazy Days, something's wrong. So next one I have here is from Steve from Wyoming. Sent a nice little note. Sent me a couple stickers. Some big ones and some small ones. Steve from Wyoming. So you guys get a chance, check out Steve. He's getting close to that 500 mark, so does a lot of fishing. So check out his videos. I got something from Chile, Indiana, who's Carl. So he sent me a really beautiful card. I'll show you the card here. And he also sent me one of his awesome, actually two of his awesome stickers. There's Chillin, Indiana, Carl. You guys check him out, okay? All right, the next thing I have is actually something I won. I won a lure on Ladies' Night at Ugly Dog. I've got quite a lure collection now going on. And this is a really awesome lure here. You guys can see it doesn't do any justice. The colors are just awesome. He does these, he hand paints these. And I have another one of his stickers here. Ugly Dog Lures. So you guys go and check them out. They sent a really nice little note here for me too. Oh, I got two lures. Wow, I didn't see the second one here. Look at this. Look at that lure. That is beautiful. Seriously, paints all these. He hand paints all of these. So if you guys get a chance, please check them out. Well, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button,